Hello and welcome to this training video which will focus on the Knowledge Hub. This video will cover what the Knowledge Hub is, how to access it, how to do a basic search, search limiters and the search results page, and how to save specific articles. In October 2021, Health Education England launched a new National Discovery Service, known locally as the NHS Knowledge and Library Hub. The Hub is being rolled out across all NHS Trust libraries, so all staff, trainees and students moving between placements and posts will have a consistent experience when it comes to researching. We've customised our version of the Hub to ensure you have access to all locally purchased resources, as well as links to our web pages, ability to request items, request training, and ask us questions, etc. The Hub is the go-to place to quickly search databases, journals, books, clinical decision-making resources, and you can access this via our web pages here. The most basic search can be entered at this point. However, we strongly recommend simply clicking on Search to access the full features immediately. Here we have the Knowledge Hub interface, which I'll briefly cover before starting a search. More detail on the interface features will be provided in the advanced training video. Firstly, to access the full features you'll need to click in the yellow bar at the top of the page, which should read, "Welcome guest, sign in with NHS Open Athens for full access." You can then log in using your Open Athens details. Once logged in, we advise that you click the sign in button in the top right. This will fully link up your account to the Knowledge Hub using your Open Athens details. Along the top bar we have the option to browse journals and journals A to Z, which will allow you to search through all journals which you'll have access to. You can also click to register for NHS Open Athens if you don't already have an account. Clicking LKS website will take you through to the library website where we can provide further training and resources. On the right you will see a folder option which we'll cover later in this video, an Ask a Librarian option which you can use to email a member of the library team for help with a search, a language selector, and help options for further support. Along the bottom, you will see further links to resources outside of the Hub, divided into 4 categories. There are links to clinical decision-making tools such as BMJ Best Practice and Up to Date in the first column, and direct links to specific databases in the In-Depth Search column. A full set of links to our library services can be found in the Library Services column, and finally, links relating to your NHS Open Athens account can be found in the last column. The search bar in the middle of the screen allows you to start your search. As a basic example, we're going to search for asthma. You can see the system suggests spellings and additional keywords which you might want to use to broaden your search. Once you have selected your terms, click Search. The system then searches all databases, journals, and further resources for every occasion of the word asthma, and all results are displayed below. This will bring back a wide range of results returned which may be related to your search. As you can see, the search has returned a large number of results, which would be very difficult to manage. We can reduce the number of these results immediately by changing the search from keyword to title. You can see the drop in results as the system will only bring back results with the word asthma in the title instead of anywhere in the text. To make your results even more manageable, the system offers filters which can be seen down the left-hand side of the results. You can filter in a number of ways, for example by date range, using the slider or text boxes to set a from and to date, by publication type, source type, subject, etc. Some limits will show a few options you may select from and give the option to see the full set of options under a Show More link. This will show the full set of options for this filter that you can select from. When a filter is selected, it will immediately apply and show the change in the results displayed. You can select multiple filters to narrow down your results. The full set of filters that are in effect can be seen by selecting the Current Search drop-down at the top of the Filters section. This will show each filter in effect and gives the option to cancel off any of the filters you would like to remove. When a filter is removed, the results are immediately updated. A useful filter to use at this point can be Limit To and then Full Text. Selecting this option will only show results that you will have access to view online. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will turn this off again to show the full range of access options on the returned items. You can see the full set of your results displayed down the middle of the page. The system automatically shows the results by relevance. However, you can reorder these by clicking the Relevance button at the top right of the results, which can then reorder the results by date newest or date oldest. You can further edit how the results are displayed by clicking the Page Options button next to this. From here, you can change how the results are displayed with options for minimal or more detailed information, which allows you to reduce the results down to just their titles, or a brief view with some metadata, or further to show detailed results, which includes the abstracts. You can also change the number of results shown per page. We'll now switch the setting from title back to keyword on the search to show the access options. Looking down the page, you will see a number of access options depending on the source and availability of each result. Results that have online access or access online have a link to the online document where it is fully available. Get PDF provides an online version of the article in PDF format. Access Item will link through to an online version of the article where View Complete Issue can be used on journal article items to direct to the full journal issue this came from. Not all of the results will have access provided, and when this is the case, the system will suggest to request this item. Clicking this will generate a form that, when filled out, will send a request to the library to try to source this item for you. We will then do our best to provide access. When you have selected the articles you are particularly interested in, you can save them to your folder if you wish. You can do this by clicking on the file icon on the article here. You can then continue to look through your results. When you have finished your search, you can go back to the item saved by clicking the folder icon at the top of the page. This will take you to your folder space where all the articles previously saved will be displayed, as well as the access options that are available for them. With this knowledge, you'll be able to locate, log into, and run a simple search on the Knowledge Hub for articles of interest. We have also covered how the returned articles can be filtered, saved, and the variety of access options for each piece. We've also covered how you can link to our services from the Knowledge Hub if required. If you would like further information on the Knowledge Hub, please see our advanced training video, which will cover browsing journals, advanced searching features and combining search lines, further filtering and sorting of results, links to native interfaces through in-depth searching, saving searches and exporting results, and creating alerts for new results. Thanks for watching.